Hey, what's up guys? It's numerical here. So in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to count 140 to 160 in French. So let's get started. So alright, so in my previous video, I taught you guys how to count from 120 to 140 in French, which was easy and simple. So yeah, it's gonna be the same thing for counting to 140 till 160. Okay. So 140 in French we pronounce it as 140, 141 141, 142 we pronounce it as 142, 143 we pronounce it as 143, 144 we pronounce it as 144, 145 we pronounce it as 145, 146 we pronounce it as 146, 147 we pronounce it as 147, 148 we pronounce it as 148, 149 we pronounce it as 149, and 150 we pronounce it as 150. Okay, so 151 we pronounce it as 151 because 150 plus 1 forms 151. Now 152 we pronounce it as 152 because 100 plus 52 forms 152. 153 we pronounce it as 153. 154 we pronounce it as 154, and 155 we pronounce it as 155, just like in English. So 100 plus 55 forms 155. Now 156 we pronounce it as 156. 157 we pronounce it as 157, and 158 we pronounce it as 158 because 100 plus 58 forms 158, doesn't it? Okay, now 159 we pronounce it as 159, and finally 160 we pronounce it as 160. Okay, so let's do the recap now so that I can make sure that you guys know it by heart. Okay, so 140, 140, so just repeat after me. 141, 141, 142, 142, 143, 143, 144, 144, 145, 145, 146, 146, 147, we pronounce it as 147, 148, 148 because 100 plus 48 is 148, 149, 149, 150, 150, 151, 151, 152, 152, 153, 153, 154, we pronounce it as 153, 154, we pronounce it as 154, 155, 155, 156, 156, and 157, 157, 158, 158, 159, 159, and finally 160, 160. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. So I hope you like this tutorial. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and turn on the notification bell too, so that you won't miss any of my videos. And yeah guys, have a nice day. Bye.